Alright guys, so this is a Honda Civic. It's my neighbor's car, and she hit something and made a big dent on the front bumper. So I'm going to show you how to fix this for $3. That's right, free. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is take off the bumper. So that's just removing these clips right here, and they just pop out like this. So yeah, just do that to all of them. Alright, so all the clips are removed, so the top of the bumper is loose. So next we're gonna move on to the sides. So for the Honda Civic, on the side, it's there's an 8mm bolt right here that we need to loosen. So I'm gonna loosen that. Alright, so here's the other side of the bumper. Yeah, the fender's dented, but I think we can still reach the 8mm right here. So just loosen this one bolt right here, and then that should be it. Alright, so the last step is to remove these clips that hold the bumper on to the trays to the under trays. So you see we got to remove this clip, and we got to remove some screws. So it's mostly just clips that we got to take off, the same as the top. Alright, so the bottom of the bumper is held on by 2 screws, and then there's a bunch of these clips that go all the way to the bottom. So you just pop those out. There's no fog lights to disconnect, so the bumper should just come off. So just pull, and then same on the other side. Pull it out, pop out the clips. Alright, see what's, and then I think what's holding it on is this right here. It's kind of stuck, so I got that out the way. So now the bumper can come off. Alright, so here's the bumper. So I think I'm just gonna try to heat this up with the heat gun and then just push it out so the dent goes away. Alright, so this is the progress so far. So all I'm doing is I'm just heating up the area that was dented, and then I'm just pushing it up from the inside while it's warm, so it goes back to its shape. So as you can tell, like right here is pretty good, and right here is pretty good too, but there's still like a little dent right here. So I'm gonna keep on working to get that as straight as possible. Alright guys, so I think this is the best that it's gonna be for what it is. So the dent's gone, so it's pretty much, the shape of the bumper is pretty much uniform, you know, so there's no dent. So what I'm gonna do next is probably put a piece of duct tape behind this, just so it's not flimsy, you know. Alright, so I just put the bumper back on, and this is what it looks like. So I know it's not perfect, but it looks a lot better than it did before. That's it.